Dar. Duinan, duinan. Ya. Beres.
Okay, sip.
Alright, well, talking about the success, right? Alright, so this is very, very easy topic and then very nice topic for us for today. I'm very happy for today because you, the best lecturer, collaborator, one came in and teach us about English. Practicing very important for us. What? Well, talking about success. Talking about success is very, very lot and a thousand, a million, a billion meaning about success. I myself talking about success is can help people who can speak many languages. That's it. When people need my help, then I help them. Example, learn English. When that people need my help, or need my hand, I will give my hand. Every single day, every single week, every single month, every single year. What? Time to time, year by year, month by month, I will help every single body in this earth. I myself, success is very important for our life. Every successful people know. Because even though not so many people, HPI people, they don't want to come in because even though those people can't speak English very totally wrong. I built this club because for the first time for my God, Allah. Second, just help people, and then just invite a lot of people to increase. This club never underestimate each other, never spin on each other, never mocking each other. Even though you can't speak, just sit and then read while you write. Read while you write. After you preparing your house, after you go online, go to Google Map or Google or looking for in Google, go online. Yeah, just sit and then write and your handbook. And then just read. That's why. If you can't speak, just sit and like Yayan, do you know Yayan? That guy can't speak English, but that guy wants to learn English because that guy believe one day that guy gonna be a man in the loop. Lupu. Very, very far away. No, very far away from Sare, right? very, very far away from Sare. But she wants to learn English. Everyone can just here, even though just gathering, even though it's not meeting for us, just share something like every topic does it. Like do you agree if government give remission day for prisoner? And then what do you think about success? After that, what for language to learn and why give a reason? That's why. That's it. We learn. Yeah. This is very simple. Just prepare your home, prepare your house. That's it. Prepare before we show it up for us and then give your reason. Until now, I'm very successful because I'm a bird in this universe, in this earth. Imagine that. Just think in your mind. Do thinking your mind. How to imagine people is nothing. Is from this day to the end of the day. Imagine that. People do not have this bird in universe in this earth. Never. They gone. But Alhamdulillah, just our praises to Allah. All praises to Allah. You know that? Yeah, just live in this earth, in this earth, just grateful. So the point is nothing. Everybody, people in this earth, in this universe, know that success people. But this their depend on condition. They want to get heaven or paradise or the hell. That's it. All right. Any question?
Have you married?
Alright, just swing on first.
It's enough.
Alright. And then count again. Any question? Tegan lang, ting tegan. Tegan lang na ba?
Chị đây, như cái gì?
Tegan lang.